Okay, let's do some test-driven development. Okay. Yeah. Do I need to define default? I thought this was enough. Probably not. Okay. Let's try here. I think this variable, I thought this variable would be implicit as I debug and making not a release. But anyway, let's see. This is the problem. Yeah, in here. Why am I still having this? Because I have this include. Oh, of course, it's because of this, right? There we go. This has to be like this. It's better, yeah. This. Yeah, I think that was the problem. Anyway. It doesn't hurt to have another definition. Yeah, let's try now. Okay, at least now it's different. This has to be the same issue here. Has to be like this. Yeah. Normal when you are changing the structure. Try now. There we go. Now let's change the unit test here. No, here. Yeah, it's camera movement. So that's mean we run this. We will have the same. Yeah, this is okay. Yeah, there we have it. Okay, so that means we have a frame buffer with multi-sample, which is working. I will say that it seems to me like it's not applying the multi-sample. Let's compare other test. Hey Nook, didn't see me for a long time. Yeah, hi. I mean, I am always here. You were probably busy these days, right? Because I haven't known about you in such a long time. How you doing, buddy? Everything's okay? See, Nook, I think this is not multi-sample. Something is missing here. Maybe through the video you cannot see either, but or maybe more. That depends of the resolution, of course. But the lines are kind of not right. This is weird. I will try to test using terminal. I would like to see if I can test there we go. This one. Let's compare this. What is the other test? This one, right? Here. So we are going to compare the results because I think this is not applying the multi-sample. And since we have the other test here, cheat test, equal. No. Yeah, right. Here? There we go. What? Why this is black? Hold up. This is... I thought I changed these names depending of the window. See? This has to be the name. Why this is continue saying standalone render? What? See? It's different for any test. The last one maybe not, because I encapsulate the window, so the title has to be, I don't know, something random. There we go. This has to be normal. But the other ones has to be this one. Okay, what is happening? Let's try this. What is actually happening? Let's try this. Let's command this and use this. Frame buffer MZAA. Wait. Is that frame buffer MZAA? This is when we apply frame buffer with multi-sample. And this one is not frame buffer. Yeah. So I am interested in, yeah, anyway, any of those. Oh, I know what is happening. It's running the whole test. I mean, the old test. What? No. Wait. What is this? I mean, the filter is not. Oh, yeah. It has to be equal, right? That is the problem. No, it has to be not equal, but the sign. What is? Ah, it's GTest filter. Yeah, that's why. Sure, it's not working. Yep. Let's see. There we go. Okay, this is one. Can I run this in? Anyway. Let's open another one. Now, what is the other? What's the name of the? Which one? Not this one, but this one. There we go. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, let's see. I mean, I can put my hand in the fire and say that yes, I thought this was this could be different, but I don't see any differences. Wait, it's the same. Crap. Why I run? Oh yeah. I want to run this one with frame buffer. Boom. Now we're talking. Yeah, now we're talking. Nook, if you are there, now you're talking, right? Tell me here, Nook. If you are there, are you seeing any difference between those cues, right? I mean, through the video, it's possible to see the differences. I think yes. I mean, I can see the difference now. I was kind of what, you know, kind of upset seeing that there is no differences. But yeah, now I can see it. Correct, it's correct. So now yeah, you can see it, right? The left is more smooth, so it's multi-sample. Okay, correct. Okay. Now, as I am encapsulating the frame buffer into a class, I would like to test the class. And I think I can do it. The only thing I had to fix is this yield error. I don't know what's happening. But I need to fix the log as well. Okay, so let's try. I don't remember how to run this without blocking. If not, I'm going to open a lot of terminals. Okay. What is the test name? So I think it's something camera movement. Yeah. So this one has the frame buffer encapsulated. So let's see if we can see the same result with this. Boom. Boom. Wait. Wait. It's actually quite different from the other, right? It's more lit. And it's not multi-sample. Okay. So my class is not working. Yeah, right. You're a genius, Nook. Correct. This is sRGB, right? If I know wrong, I have activated the class. Right. You are totally right. But so that means that when you have sRGB, the multi-sample doesn't work as intended. Because let's inspect this. Yeah, this is RGB, correct. True. But what about the multi-sample? Because the same values of RGBA, true. And the buffer is def instead of stencil. So my question here is, why the multi-sample texture is not working when we have this? This is a nice way also to configure. I want my frame buffer to have sRGB or just RGB. This is also possible to do. So I will comment this just to see the differences. And let's see what's happening. I don't know if do I need to close all the test? Yes, I need to close it because it needs to write, right? So okay, let's close it. Let's close all of them. Yeah, but I would like to see the differences. Yeah, I need to make this an option. Let's quickly test before making that an option. Let's see what is going on. Camera movement. Yeah, this has the same level of lit, but the multi-sample is not working. So that is independent problems. Good. So let's fix first. Options. Now let's fix first. What if this is not applying the multi-sample? So, I mean, I just copy the code. Where is my mistake? So let's go to the test here. Let's inspect this one, which is the previous test. Here. So what is my mistake? Init, frame buffer, color buffer. I'm using frame buffer, texture, color attachment. Yep. Here true. I have the number of samples. I have the right number of samples. Okay, let's quickly test this. I mean, I think I have the correct number of samples here. Let's comment this, put this, and let's try. Okay. Yeah. The samples are set. Yep. Frame buffer, color, multi-sample, and the multi-samples are 8. Yeah, this is all correct. Def buffer. Check complete. Ooh. What? Hold up. So this assert is failing. Yeah, that's why that's happening when you forget to put this assert, right? Yeah. Which is interesting because if I have an incomplete frame buffer, I still can render stuff in that frame buffer. That's wild. STD and line. There we go. So let's check again. Yeah. So what's happened? Here in the execution, we have a fail. Yeah. And the problem is that the frame initialization failed. So that means we have something in this initialization, this code. Okay. It is clear what is the mistake. This initialization. samples. This one. Generate frame buffer. Bind frame buffer. What is going on? Okay, first I want this to be here and also this to be here. That's no problem. Cannot see the issue. Not at all. So weird. Component. I mean, they're complete. I have this sold. What kind of a status I have? Oh, I don't have status printing. Wait. Sold. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, what is this code? Is this thing in hexadecimal? Hello, guys. Okay, so this incomplete multi-sample. So that is the reason I can use the frame buffer to draw, but the multi-sample is not complete, so that means we don't have multi-sampling. Yeah, I mean, correct. Why I'm not completing multi-sample? That is now the question. if I already used multi-sample here. I mean, I stray here. I'm missing something trivial. Let's compare these two. Where do I compare? But this is going to be melt. Do I have melt here? Melt. No, I don't have melt. I will install melt. Is melt the name? Yeah, it's melt. Visual differences tool. Okay. Okay. Give me a second, guys. I want to install melt because I want to use it to compare these to the compare strings. I mean, I think you can do it here, but not by strings. Am I wrong? Does that make sense, Salter? Or not? This also is global here. Can also change to have cohesion. Cohesion here. Apply. There we go. Close this. Multi-sample. Frame buffer. Wait. Nice textures, yes. Damn. Find texture sample. So, can I use mel for strings? It's for folder as well. Yeah. Boy. Okay. Let's do this. Renderer. Okay, then from here until here, yeah, here we have no differences. Okay, let's use melt and said, would you get me projects? Okay, file 1. There we go. Then file 2. And compare. Okay, let's see. This is not even a problem here. Yeah, the variables are not an issue. Bind texture multi-sample color. Sample. Yield true. Yeah, variables again. Then these all are the same. And then GL frame buffer. Color attachment. Correct as well. This I don't need it. Boom. Oh, there is the difference. Nice. This one. Right? Excellent. Render buffer. Yeah, I think that is the only one. Let's go back to the code and change this. Buffer multi-sample. I think that is all. Okay, let's close this as well, and let's try again and see what's going on. I think we have it, guys. Definitely we have it. No, we don't have it. What? Yeah, I need another here I have, I think. Sample, number of sample here. I think I can have M as number of samples here because I like cohesion here as well. There we go. Compile and see the result. Okay, let's check the completeness, and it's okay. Perfect. Initialize, and then we have this ready. Hold. There's a problem here. That was a static. Why this is static? Wait, what? What's going on? I think it could be that the swapping the window swapping here. But you know, before we fix it, we have it a cube movement, right? Hold. You mean draw to screen? What? Let's try again. Let's go back here. I would like to try this. There we go. Where you will have this here. I just want to check what happened when we have multi-sample Not complete. Ah, but we have the assert. Oh, no. Fix this by doing this. Just to bypass the assert. And we have a moving cube just because of that. This is so weird. I mean, I can say it's not related to. Oh, look, I can do this as well. Yeah, but it's not related to here. It's not related to the this to this type of render storage. Wow. What a you know, it's kind of I mean, it's a state machine. OpenGL is a state machine, so maybe when we create this storage multi-sample, we are in a state that for some reason doesn't allow certain aspects like refreshing, because that is probably not refreshing the buffer, which is quite weird. Because in the other test, we have everything. Weird. Hold up, guys. Okay, let's continue. Okay, how we fix this? Let's check again. I think we can also check meld. Yeah, this is the only difference. Okay, let's see if we can fix it. Have it this correctly set. What? Okay, let's try again. Boom, boom. Ah, right. Desert. Here. Boom. Yeah. This has to be swap. Huh. Okay, let's check the loop. The problem has to be the main loop for sure. Main loop. No, not here. Here. But between, okay, boom, boom, boom. Has to be camera movement. Here we go. So here's when we draw. And it's equivalent to have this. So the frame buffer here. We have draw to screen. Oh, I see. What is the problem? I had to bind the buffer as well again. Bind and bind. Because when according to this class, I bind the frame buffer here and I put the main buffer, which now contains what I want to draw, right? So I need to bind the buffer again, but of course, since this function has this guards, I don't know if this guard could be not properly implemented, but I need it for other reason. Anyway, so I need to bind the buffer. Yeah, that is the whole problem, for sure. Just take this, put here, unbind. So let's test this again, see what is going on. And we have it. Great. That is. And it has multi-sample and everything. Still we have the error 1280, but great. So yeah. Now let's try to implement the movement. close this. Let's see if we can have both man. I think I have here some code where I implement movement. Okay, I'm trying to use the camera, the global variable of the camera, so I need to substitute. Yeah, this is okay. Okay, but I need to change. Where I need to change this? Where is the... Here, perspective. Okay, I will use projection here. Let's see how this behave. P. So I will comment this. Oh, no. Projection. I need to clean this as well. There we go. So this B is set, then it's used where exactly? Here. Yeah, I think the projection is not going to change, but the model will be. And the model, but I need to set the view. The view is and the camera, and that is when I have to change the shader as well. View, this one. So if I change the per frame data and send, oh well, I can multiply this here. Let's check the shader. I think we have the shader here. So if I multiply here, view, and of course the view matrix also needs to change. At 4 be equal to get view, which is a gamer. There we go. So now let's go and see the shader. Where the shader? I need to change. Here. There it is. Positions. I think I don't need to change. Let's see. I mean, I had positions in normal device coordinates. Well, apparently I had no issues with the shader as well. But let's try. Okay, let's inspect. Control N. Let's inspect here. Here. Dude, I don't even... What? That was weird. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, it's view. This is taking the identity matrix. Let's see. Guys, it's the small cube now. Very tiny and little nice cube there. Great. So yeah. So now see if we can update movement by calling this. Here. This is not useful parameter. So let's try immediately with this. Okay. Oh, sure. This is null because now I have a window. Okay, okay. We can do. Sorry. We can. This is not constant, right? This is not constant. Let's see. Thank you. Thank you, Visual Code. Anyway. There we go. This is static, not constant, meaning that after having initialized windows here, initialize the window here, init, right? So I can give to this pointer this. So yeah, I think. Sure, not. Let's Get window. There we go. Cool. So let's try again. Oh. Yum, 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 yum. There is. So let's move. Okay, we have movement. Cool. That's small. That is where the frustrum ends. There you have it. It's very small. Whoa, whoa. No, it's not anymore there. Whoa. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now let's see if we can move it using the mouse. How is the mouse movement implemented in GL? Let's see. So give me a moment, guys. I need to remember how to implement mouse movement in GLFW. Input guy. Da, 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 da. Okay, is using this callback. Oh, but it has to be in Windows. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see. This is input system. I mean, I can do it here. Oops. I can do it here. Set same cursor here, and also have this function set here, and there is so now I don't know, this is immediately possible to move, like, I mean, this is our x coordinates, but exactly where? Okay, let's do some silly dummy prints in here. The see out. Here and here. Boom, boom, boom. There it is. So let's try and see what's happened. So yeah, I'm having separation to where exactly? Ah, this is by Windows. This is 00, of course. This increase in X, increase in Y. Okay. So, and now, currently, where am I looking at? Where am I looking at right now? Where is look at? Oh, here. I'm looking 00. So this is 00. Ah, okay. So how I interpolate this? That is actually 00. Hmm. Hmm. Weird. Just by 20. Yeah, a grid could be useful in this moment. For sure. Just by making 20. So I can move in here. So this is in the center of the wall, I'm assuming. Okay, let's see. naively to have some test. Actually, see. Okay, never mind. Yeah, it's completely lost. There it is. See, so it's like I increase the current position. So this Y position, yeah. Look at I think I need aspects of the in this camera to improve it, because it's not like it's allowing me to make some jaw and pitch correctly. Huh. So yeah. We'll need to make I think this is all right. Look at up is okay. Target position plus forward. That's all right. That makes sense, Alter. Does that make sense? I mean, if I have a target independent of the position, here. Okay, hold up, guys. I will do a pause. Right, let's continue. Hmm. Field of view aspect. Well, this field of view can be cam from the clustering. So I think focus in. I need float beach. Your distance. So based on this, take this 3 and has some values for them. Here. What is the normal value for beach? Okay, beach. This value could be 0. And distance. I don't know, a random distance for the moment. Based on this, you can update projection, which is all right. I'll say. So let's implement some orbit. Okay, what if I Yeah, so panning is moving the target and position at the same time, right? So I need to follow the right vector, right? So forward in this case, so negative, yeah, is let's say the direction where the camera is pointing at. That's why I use it and look at. But I want another vector. This is a right vector, so this has to be something like the cross product of the forward vector, right? Because I want a perpendicular vector of the forward vector. Something like it's a yeah. So let's try that. GLM pick 3, right. We will normalize, and we will have the GLM cross vector, GLM vector 3 of what? Well, the up vector has to be as well. Right, but what happened if the up vector change? Will I change the up vector somehow at any point? Does that make sense? Author, tell me. I will put this up vector fix by now. There it is. So, between which other vector? Okay, I have the camera. This is geometry. And here. Well, let's have it. So, let's make an assumption like we have this and let's point this here. This is Y, this is X, this is Z, and this is pointing to us. This is the right vector. So, and I have in some place here the camera, right? So this camera has a position, which is another vector, coming from here. Here. Position of the camera. And this camera has a target. And this is another cube here. And this camera is pointed toward this, which is another vector. And what I want to do is move this camera in this plane, Y and X. That is what I want. So to make that happen, no, actually, no, I want to move that camera in any plane by keeping the plane that the camera is looking at, but in other part, I mean, let's assume we have another plane here which is parallel to this plane composed by the origin Y and X, right? So how can I do this? Here's another plane. Sorry. Yep. This is another plane. These two planes, this one and this one, are perpendicular, are parallel. Sorry. So what I want is to move the camera, and I want to look at this plane in the same angle, just in another point. That's what I want. Okay. I think the look at position is not relative to the camera, it's relative to the origin. So here is the vector, not this one, right? Okay. So that means I need to rest the position and the target vector to have the new vector. I mean, this vector actually, this one. Right? So I have another vector here, which is the arc vector, which I have by default. This is my 0, 1, 0 vector, and I need a vector, but not the right vector, not this one. A vector that is composed by the subtraction of this vector and the target vector. That's it. Yep. Right? Does that make sense? that vector is that vector perpendicular to the normal of that plane? Because this plane has a normal. Where's my blue? Oh. This plane has normal here. Let's see, facing towards here. This plane has normal. So I can, yeah, I can make experiments and having this plane, the equation of this plane, which would be like this, plus d. Yeah. Assuming any perpendicular vector which is a normal vector here. Let's call it norm ABC. And if I make the dot product of this, I will check if that is perpendicular. Wait, no, but if I make the crust, that means these are not perpendicular. This is actually parallel, right? This is indeed parallel. That is the sense, because when I have the camera looking at some objects, what I'm doing is looking at a plane straight to the face. Yeah, that's it. So my vector here, this one is perpendicular, it's parallel, sorry, it's parallel to the normal vector of the plane. That makes sense. Yeah. Now I see it. That's it. So this is a really bad draw, but it makes sense. So you just has to imagine, guys, seeing in the camera, you have a camera and then you start moving the camera and focus some stuff, and it's like you are taking that plane or that photo of that plane, and you are pointing at directly. So if you like raycast a vector from the camera and the object, you will have a vector that is trespassing the plane where that object is projected. So in that sense, I have something in just one dimension, like the equivalent in 2 dimensions will be having still let's put in like wood. Yeah, it doesn't matter actually. We have see here and why here. We will have the camera here in a plane like this. And the position of the camera is this vector. And the point where the camera is looking at is this another vector. Right? So this is the plane. This is the plane where the object is projected, let's say. It's kind of, yeah, could be weird to see it, but I have here the object, and the object is projected to this plane. Okay, so the important geometry here is the plane. So if I subtract the position and the target, I will have this vector. And this vector is exactly perpendicular to the plane. In other words, is parallel to the normal of the plane. That's it. Yeah. So that's why by having this vector and the up vector, which is yeah, the up vector, it doesn't matter, the up vector is exactly this. Now I had some doubts, because maybe what I want is the positional vector, right? Now, because if I have the position, I still can get this right vector. Okay, I will try it with this. So get Okay, let's try this idea. Position and target, but where I have target? Do I have target? No, I don't have target. Always well, but the forward vector is kind of the target, right? No. Actually, the forward. Oh, I already had the forward. It's the same. It's the same analogy. It's the same computation. So maybe a good idea to we'll have to store target vector as well. So in the target vector, let's initialize the origin. There it is. There we go. Then, I need to update is it right? Wait, I need to this look at here. I need to update the targets. Based on the current target, right? Plus, I need to do some steps here. I mean, this is a normalized vector, so if I want to add magnitude, I will need to multiply this vector by the other. Right? So, and this will move target. Am I doing right? So, but now, how I move this? Mhm. So let's try this. But how I integrate this pen? I need somehow. Okay, I will do it. I will do it directly. Yeah. Yeah, I need an input system. Well, not now. Let's try like this. See, very naively. Yeah, so be negative, right? Because if I pan to the left, I want to move. I want the object to move to the right. Yes. Right. So it has to be negative. Damn it. Yeah, my thing is kind of working. Hmm. Yep. Okay, guys, I will go and make some dinner. So I will stop for today here. Thank you very much. See you next time.